subscribe.
Let's sing and learn, it's so much fun. M-N-O for everyone. We'll explore, we'll move, we'll shout hooray. Come along, let's start today. M is for moose, tall and strong, marching slowly, stomping along. Let's march together, 1, 2, 3, big antlers up just like me. N is for newt, so tiny and cute, crawling and swimming, it's in pursuit. Wiggle your fingers, crawl like a newt, slide through the water in your little suit. O is for octopus, swirling around, 8 arms spinning, making no sound. Wiggle your arms like the octopus do, swim in the ocean, me and you. P is for peacock, spinning around, colorful feathers touching the ground. Let's flap our arms and twirl with grace, like a peacock in a dancing race. U is for quokka, grinning so wide, jumping and hopping from side to side. Smile like a quokka, big and bright, spreading happiness feels so right. R is for raccoon, searching for treats, tiptoeing softly on tiny feet. Let's pretend to sneak around, looking for treasures on the ground. S is for starfish, soft and slow, floating where the ocean waves flow. Twirl your arms, spin around like a starfish, deep and sound. T is for tortoise, step by step, moving slow with no regret. Let's march steady left and right, like a tortoise day and night. U is for urchin, spiky and neat, rolling around on tiny feet. Spin, spin, round we go, like an urchin, nice and slow. And to you we sang today, learning is fun in every way. Jump, twirl, and dance once more. Come back soon for